How to replace the recliner cables on your Vienna lounge suite. Part 1. The end seat recliner cable. First, you'll need to unclip the seats at the base by having two people lift the end seat up and away from the middle seat. Then, carefully turn the end seat on its side. We're going to be working around the highlighted area. On the underside here, locate a black locking tab. Carefully squeeze this tab with pliers and it should pop out from the other side. Next, we're going to move to this area here. To undo the metal cable end from the silver bracket it sits in, it should pull away easily with no force required. Tie a piece of string about 1 meter in length to the recliner cable. Tying it around the silver end rather than the clip shown here will make a later step easier. On the armrest side of the end seat, lift the recliner tab and undo the two screws that hold it in place. You can now lift the recliner tab out of the sofa and pull the cable out through the hole. Make sure you don't pull the string out from the opposite end. You may need to unpick the staples around this area to allow the cable end to move through. Once the faulty cable has been removed, untie the end of the string and tie it to the brand new cable. Feed the new cable into the sofa, and gently pull the string from the opposite end to pull the new cable through. Press the recliner tab into place on the armrest, and fix the two screws back into the frame. Untie the string from the recliner cable. Now, reconnect the silver end, ensuring that the recliner cable is not in front of this metal bracket, but is tucked behind it. Push the black clip back into place to complete the replacement. You can now upright and reassemble the sofa to test your recliner function. Part 2. The middle seat recliner cable. To replace the middle seat recliner cable is very similar to the end seat, but the access is easier. Unclip the end seat at the base by using two people to lift it up and away from the middle seat. Do the same for the middle seat, and turn it 90 degrees so you can easily access the side with the recliner cable. Locate the black locking tab, and gently undo it from the underside using pliers. Undo the metal Z clip from the bracket. Thread the end of the cable out through this fabric lip. Undo the 4 screws on the recliner cable bracket and remove the faulty cable. Perform these steps in reverse order to install the replacement cable, and be sure to let the metal cable end sit on this side of the bracket to avoid pinching when operating. You can now upright and test the recline function before reassembling the sofa.